In this video, I want to dispel a common SEO myth that if you link to high authority or relevant websites like Wikipedia or government websites or other very, very known and well-branded websites, that you're going to get a boost in your SEO. And this myth was exacerbated by this study that came out in 2016, which I thought was true. And this study that I'm showing you is saying that a study shows that outgoing links have positive effects on SEO. And I'm not going to get into this article because it's been debunked, but what it ended up saying was that if you link to relevant and high authority and high quality sites, it will help you rank higher. And so many people thought that was true. But more recently, you see, here's this article from SEMrush, which is a very reputable SEO website, about outbound links. Outbound links are essentially linking out for SEO. And if we scroll down, they have an explanation of what an outbound link is. But what's relevant for us is this section on can outbound links help SEO? And here's a quote from John Mueller, who's in charge of the Google Webmaster team, which is essentially a team that interfaces with SEO marketers. And if there's anything new in SEO that they want us to know, John Mueller is the guy to give us the news or some definitive answer. And so here's a quote from him. So let's read what this says. First of all, it says, placing outbound links on your website does not directly help your SEO. Many people believe Google will rank you higher if you link out to high quality sites, but that hasn't been confirmed. And Google's John Mueller says it's a myth. Here is his quote. Nothing happens when you link out to a popular website. This has been one of those things that SEOs have claimed or hoped since literally decades. Having said that, this article goes on that external links can be beneficial to your readers if they refer your readers to helpful resources. So it can be an indirect benefit, but it's certainly not a direct ranking factor. And that's what I wanted to point your attention to in this video.